Hi everyone, Katie. I'm in my backyard. Yay! Alright, well, this video is about what do rabbits eat. You're probably wondering, do they eat these spiky things off the trees? No, that will hurt them. Well, let me show you my rabbit. This is her cage. A lovely cage. I can't get my computer in there, but my rabbit is right in there. I don't know if you guys can see her, but her name's Fluffy. Fluffy. Okay, so this is what they eat. Ready? They eat. Let me show you some of their yumminess. So, they eat grass. Vegetables, stuff like that. They eat pig ears, is what I call them, because they look like pig ears. They eat clover. Some yummy sunflower. And now I have a turtle, two turtles. They eat. I don't know if you're seeing. There's one, I don't know if you see, but the other one's under here. Hold it up. Hold on. The other one's right there. Ow! Whoa! Foxy! Her name is Summer. And Veronica is the painted turtle. Hope you didn't get my... Fish. Dead animals, dead rats, dead mice. They definitely eat. Snakes. They eat worms. They eat all that stuff. I had to feed them a worm once and it spit it right out at me. It was so gross. Okay, so. Here. Ooh, she would love this. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Starts from there to there. Let me go give this to my rabbit. Alright, kitties. Cats are cats, but tuna, a fish. Come here, kitty. This is Angel. She's my cat. She comes in and out. Oh. Kitty, look! That's Angel, my little kitty. She's so cute. She had 6 litters. So cute. She's mama. Alright, her babies? Believe it or not, these are babies. This is where they live because my grandmother let them inside. There's the Mikey boy. He broke his leg from my dog. My dog bit him in the leg really hard. And Princess, come here, Princess. Not Michael, Princess. We named her Princess because when she was little, she stuck her head up high and like meowed at everything. She meows still, but it's her baby. It's Princess. Princess. So cute. I love her. She had more, but we couldn't afford to keep them, so we gave them away at a garage sale for $5. Okay, cat. Rabbits eat this stuff too. Right at the store. Nutritious. What I'm calling. I'll show you one. With the little peppers. Now this, you can go to Walmart and get some of this. It's for turtles. It's food. It's probably better than fish and all that. But mine's almost gone. There's like baby shrimp, mini sticks, and mini krill. So let me get the bag to show you how. I don't think I have the bag. The bag is gone, but the litter is this stuff. This kennel care. Kennel care is for dogs, horses, rabbits. You could also use it for mice, rats, any of that, like spiders, snakes, a lot. Moles, if you have a mole. Ferrets, more stuff, I guess. So, cats like to eat, cat food, like, my cat's looking like, where'd my food go? So the fishy. That's its food, the little fishy. Has hearts and X's, I think. Okay, next video will be, I don't know when, I think today, oh yeah, this food for the rabbit, very, very nice and moist. Cats like to eat shrimp, seafood, tuna, fish. They like to eat a lot of those kinds of things. So, the food's made out of dead animals. I have something on my shirt here from being in the cage. It's all over my computer. Okay, so my next video soon. Okay. Bye!